can't be passing all those countries and claiming to be a refugee in South Africa. That's not possible. How did you come to South Africa? Just tell the truth. You guys, you go in these transports, or you flew and got off in Zimbabwe. When you got to Zimbabwe, you come here and you claim you're a refugee. You know you're not a refugee. What are you running away from? What conflict?
They got a Kugwar.
A Kugwar?
Singena as South Africa kwi-Kugara yase-Ethiopia, Somalia, Bangladesh. Singena kulezo zimpi, because why did they pass all these other countries who are their neighbors to come down to South Africa? There is no war in Ethiopia where he's coming from. And even if there is war in Ethiopia, why running to South Africa? Why not running to other countries? Passing all these other countries, even Kenya, coming down to South Africa. No, they are not refugees. They are not asylum seekers. They came because there's freedom here. Some of them are telling the truth that we came to South Africa to make money because there is freedom in South Africa. Government of South Africa is very kind. Ukind phela kubona. Angithi vele ukind ugovernment kubona. Owabo lo government. Imithetho yase South Africa isetshenziswa kubona, isetshenziswa kuthina ama citizens. They do as they wish in this country. You will never hear our leaders complaining about them. They are only complaining about us. That why are we complaining about these people? That is why again we see what we are seeing today. And again, let's not blame the government alone. Thina ke as a community, why are we doing this to ourselves? Yini esenza ukuthi siqhubeke sifihlela abantu emizini yethu? After everything they've done in this country, we are still protecting them. We are still fighting for them. We are even fighting each other because of these people. Ubulima obunjani lobo? Uzozwa indoda endala ithi if behamba my friend sizothengaphi. What kind of stupid question is that? Why are you not opening a shop for your community as a man? Guys, angibafihla ubuso because ama video abo are viral already, are all over the place. And into engizisa ubuhlungu ngalento abayenzayo. Labantu laba, lama Somalians, Ethiopians, all these guys aba owner lama tuck shop. Into abazoyenza bazofaka poison. Remember what happened in Mpumalanga. Bafakele umalume i-poison kuma biscuit na kwi-coke. Umalume waphuza wadla ama biscuit wanika umntwana ona 2 years wadla bashonile labo bantu. So if these guys beqhubeka benza lento ukuthi bethathe izinto zalabantu beyozidla, angazi ukuthi banga-advise kanjani ukuthi beyiyeke lento. Okay, vele siyazi labantu sifuna behambe, but asifuni ukuthi behambe sifile because labantu bazosiqeda ngakho lokudla. Bazosiqeda ngazo lezi zinto esiziluthayo ezitolo zabo. Angithi njengamanje sebeyazi vele ukuthi kuyaluthwa ezitolo zabo, enziwa zonke lezi zinto. Into abazoyenza bazovule bafaka poison kuzo lezi zinto lezi. Bese kuthiwa ama South Africans are fair in numbers. And guys nizobona kusekuseduzane ukuthi sife sibulawe yilabantu besibulala ngakho lokudla sikuntshontshayo. Uzoyibona leyo nto. Uyabona njengamanje their faces are all over the place. Lama zayizayi ayababona. And even ngabe abababonana. Uyabona ukudla lokho. I'm telling you guys. Because uma ningabona ukuthi abantu ba dangerous kangakanani nizoyisola. I'm telling you. Iyona ndlela abazodila ngayo nathi le ukuthatha ukudla kwabo. Bazokuyeka lokho ukudubula nani. Into abazoyenza nje yiyo leyo ukuthi bazovela befaka ushevu kuzo lezi zinto ngoba zenziwa yibona. And I don't understand ama South Africans ukuthi ungalutha ukudla kwabantu okubonayo ukuthi kwenziwa ngale ndlela ukungcola okungakaya okwenziwayo kuma warehouse abo. And enye into engayi-understand ukuthi what I don't understand ukuthi people who were taking these videos are South Africans, but they are exposing, baveza yonke into, baveza ubuso babafowabo. I really don't understand ukuthi labantu bebethatha ama video bona yini into vele kahle kahle abayihlosile. What is their plan uma bethatha ama video beveza, because lama videos are all over the internet. As I said, that is why ungizwa ngithi, and these videos are all over the internet. That is why ungizwa ngithi ukufihla nokuveza vele kuyafana, because labantu laba sebaziwa umhlaba wonke, not only in South Africa, because lama video are viral. Le video yakamashu i-viral. So nje mina angazi ukuthi bangatshelwa kanjani ama South Africans. Angazi ukuthi bangatshelwa kanjani ama South Africans ukuthi abastophe ukwenza lento. Uphakela umthakathi no Jacinta, they are not encouraging this because they know ukuthi tomorrow kuzovela sekuthiwa march and march or bathunywe uphakela umthakathi. We understand leyo. So ngendlela abenza ngayo labantu laba ithanisha igama lama march, and senza exactly lezi zinto abaholi bethu abathi siyazenza ukuthi sinodlame masithi senza ama marches okwenza lezi zinto. Akukho noyedwa umuntu engeke ngibone kuma-march lana. Iy'gebengu nje eziqhamukela from nowhere ukuzothanisha igama lama-march. So nje guys, please be warned. Ungabi tempted. Please don't be tempted ukuthi uma ubabona belutha abantu bese uthi nawe no ufuna ukuya because mhlampe kunezinto oshoda ngazo. Don't try it because as ngisho ukuthi labantu laba bazosifakela ushevu bazosiqeda ngakho lokudla. Bazosiqeda ngakho. Ngoba uyababona ukuthi ngendlela abangafuni ngayo ukugoduka bemazweni abo bangenza noma yini and bayasho not ukuthi and bayasho ukuthi bazolifela lelizwe. Uyabo leyo nto. So anyways guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.